One of the more important or useful features that Handle has is calendar sync with Office 365. Gordon, tell us about it.
Yes, we've had the Exchange integration, which Exchange, for those that are not familiar, is the server version of Outlook, essentially what your Outlook connects to. We've had automated sync there for a number of years with calendar and contacts and tasks. But in the last year or so, a lot of security protocols and things have changed within Microsoft, and a lot of organizations have switched over to Office 365 to host all of that versus them having their mail servers in-house. So for those people that have switched to Office 365, there's a nice simple calendar integration that can be implemented now. There's a couple things that do need to be done in the background. So one, it needs to be turned on your Handle server. Additionally, we need to understand whether you want to sync your calendar and or contacts and tasks. The most common thing is just to set up the calendar, but there's other options there. Once we've established that, then there's a small config that needs to be put into place, or a small configuration where the user needs to link their Microsoft account to their Handle account, which we can show you real quickly. And once they've done that, the sync automatically runs in the background every hour. And what it's doing is it's taking any sales calls or contacts that you've scheduled inside of Handle, and it's putting them inside of your Outlook calendar to display on your mobile device as well as your desktop. Like you can see here that I've got sales calls, service calls, deliveries, different things like this, miscellaneous stuff. Anything that I've created inside of Handle will be present and overlay inside of my Outlook calendar as well. And this works not only in the Outlook native app, but also if you open up Outlook 365, so you're on the web version of it.
How does a user set this up?
All they need to do is connect their actual Microsoft account to their Handle login. And they do this by first logging into Handle. And then at the bottom here, they have an option to connect their Microsoft account if they have not done it yet. When they select that, they're going to get a pop-up where they can pick their Office 365 login. And from there on out, it will now have that account connected and syncing automatically in the background with an individual user permission. So it's using that user's access specifically to go in and sync their calendar back and forth, also their contacts and tasks if they have access, or if they want to sync those things. And what it also does inherently out of this, when a user logs into the Handle application, they will also be able to use this sign in with Microsoft and go directly into the application without having to retype in their username and password.